Hello Hang, here is some feedback for you on your coursework. Firstly, I think you had an excellent piece of coursework. This is one of the best courseworks I have seen on the module, and congratulations on a very good piece of work. So let's get on to some details now. Here is your requirements diagram. I thought it was excellent that you used the correct use of the SysML nomenclature and the correct use of the relationships in the SysML standard. I think the labeling of your requirements was excellent too. I will give you one piece of advice for this, and that is when you are writing the text of your requirements, always think about how they can be validated. How can you measure your requirements? So most of these could have been additional descriptions to help validate the requirement later. For example, sense temperature. The system will sense recent temperature. You could quantify how recent the temperature needs to be sensed for. It's as simple as that, and talk about a particular time, a particular temperature range. So think about quantifying your requirements. The structure diagram that you did was excellent too. I will not say too much about this, only to say that I can see the link between this and the requirement diagram. Your activity diagram again was very good. I thought that it was great to see that you had a proper activity frame with a correct label. Excellent use of control and data flows through the system, very important. There was an excellent level of detail in the required activities themselves. There are some activities which could possibly have a better description. Decision making is a bit too generic for an activity, and you could have numbered your activities too. So there are a couple of small issues with this diagram, but overall I think it was excellent. Okay, let's have a look at your computer code, your smart thermostat. We can select the user interface. So I select the degree to 30 and I can see the temperature rising, which can be changed. So there is evidence that you have a simulation of a timer thread, and something I can change. I can do human detection here. I can change the weather. I can set the outdoor temperature too. I think this is an excellent use of a GUI. It could have been a little bit more visually compelling, but it was non-fussy in the same way, so it's very clear. So I think ultimately you've done a very good job here. Congratulations, and I hope that you have enjoyed this module.